What's going on, guys? There's a tornado going on right now. We're on our town's road sign. Oh my gosh. I swear that sound I'm hearing right now is the tornado sirens again. Do we need to check and make sure Austin's okay? Bro, what is even going on right now?
That was crazy.
What? Okay, well, I'm scared now. We're in a tornado right now. We've been getting 6 messages. The tornado siren's turned on. The sky is falling. Did you hear that tornado siren?
I did earlier.
Bro, no. Oh no. We're gonna die. Not today, not tomorrow, not the next. I wasn't gonna die today. That's not my time. It might be yours, Caleb, but it's not mine.
Damn,
I'm shaking back, boys. If I fly somewhere else, I'm gonna start a new life.
I mean, we can die at any time.
I'm just happy my inflatable mattress is still inflated because we don't have power to inflate that bitch.
Damn, man. I really wanted to watch TV for the first time in this house today.
Yeah, I did it earlier.
How'd it feel?
It felt like normal.
Sweet. Jake said, yo, what was that? Our whole apartment just shook.
It's the goat man.
What is the goat man?
That's what I just made. That's so crazy. Taco time is my favorite time, and I like to press rewind. When it comes to taco time, it is my favorite time. I like to time is all my favorite time. Yeah, I wish I had a light to use me. Alright, so I bet an hour has passed. Look at this. The power is completely out in the house. So I checked my phone. It's dead. Do you see my phone right now? It's a dead phone. I can't charge my phone because
Also,
it's dead.
You can see that right there. That says tornado warning for Ruston, LA. The ironic part about that is, oh, where do we live?
Oh wow, we live in Ruston.
That means there's a tornado warning for Ruston, and that's where we live.
This is bad. Alright, so phone's still dead. Still more time. I'm using actually the phone screen as a way to do that. We got a bright idea. I have a whole entire MacBook. Oh my gosh. This is perfect. This is great. I can plug into my MacBook. It's got 48%, and that's enough percents for me. So let's get some charge. I just need my phone to run. Why you running, boy? I don't got a gunning, boy. What you getting? Rolling, boy. I got my boy colon. Ew. He's got his boy's colon. That was yucky. I'm gonna be real with you.
It was pretty yucky.
Oh, it's charging. Alright, so I got charge in my phone now. My laptop is in low power mode, I guess. The keyboard's still lit, but the screen's dim. Alright, still needs to charge. So I'll get back to you when we have more info. That was so bright. There was also fire sirens.
Yeah, this is probably the lightning hit. You know how close lightning was, huh? Oh, you didn't. Yeah, you don't have the app. You didn't get that, huh? That's not.
Oh my gosh, I thought that was lightning.
You didn't get that, huh?
What?
The notification?
My phone's dead. The fire alert?
No, it's
What does it say?
lightning detected 3.8 miles from Ruston, LA.
Lightning happens all the time. I'm only afraid of the tornadoes. Update, it's 2:35. My phone is alive. Still charging with the laptop. The laptop has like 20% battery. I found a flashlight on my Sega, so I've got light. This is great. Oh boy, it's freezing. I took the flashlight off the shotgun. We progressed outside. Apparently a tornado hit right next to our house. We're gonna go check it out. Alright, so the stoplights are out. Oh, that's a cop. We're just gonna follow him.
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah, let's see where he's going. Cause I bet you he knows where the party's at. Bro, it's so bad. It's so freaking windy. Bro, there's still no traffic lights. No power across this whole town, dude.
This could get bad. And you know, if everybody's running red lights.
Yeah, that's a whole tree in the road. Oh my gosh.
But there's a whole damn gas station taking apart. Oh, wait, there's more.
Dude, look at this. There's a sign right there.
Look at this whole entire gas station.
Bro, this gas station is gone.
This whole gas station is gone. Do you remember whenever we heard all the sirens earlier?
Yeah,
this is where they were coming.
Dude, down power lines everywhere. Holy cow. Oh,
it's a whole tree.
Yeah, a whole tree is in the road. Dude, this whole town is out of power. There is a whole tree in the road. Oh my gosh. Caleb, this is insane. This is tornado hunting like version Poe. Oh my gosh. They're gonna bog.
Bro, is it that important to you? Oh.
Oh yeah. Oh, they're about to get stuck.
Don't get your ass stuck, bro.
Oh my gosh, they totally just bogged. They made it.
They sure did.
Bro, that's the Huddle House.
Oh my God. Did Applebee's get hit?
Let's check it. McDonald's got hit.
Oh, they did get hit.
Oh my gosh.
They broke the glass and everything. Free McDonald's.
Bro, look at the shopping center.
Oh my. Wait, please tell me that's not La Bamba.
Dude, there's Applebee's. Holy sh.
Applebee's didn't get hit.
The windows are all gone.
Yeah, they did.
Look at that. Bro, look at everything. Look at that. That's an AC system for the top of the college.
Oh my. No, that's a trailer.
That's a trailer.
That's a trailer. Look at all these trees though.
We're under a power
Chimney
line.
maybe?
Get that
Oh
stuff.
my god. Hello. Dude, now I know why Austin was saying I'm getting scared. Those are, oh no, they were just wet. Dude, there is stuff all over the, alright, look. Oh my god, oh shit. That was like a 3D movie. Let's go and get your motherfucker. Oh my god.
Did you get that on film?
Yeah, dude.
Woo! That was awesome.
Dude, lightning has always fucking fascinated me. Like my backgrounds on computers and shit, I used to have lightning bolts and whatnot, bro.
Alright, this is where it's about to start getting bad. Let's check all the stores we normally go to.
And by stores, we mean food.
Yeah.
Fast food restaurants. What a Burger is still there.
Cane's.
McKinney is still
It's
there.
Cane's time now. Let's check Cane's.
I would be so upset, bro.
The windows are cracked.
Were they? No,
Yes.
they're just wet. They're just wet.
Alright, next one.
Chili's is good. Oh my god, look at the fucking sign.
Chili's is not good.
Dude, oh.
Alright, what's next? What's next?
No, not the chili sign, the billboard. Oh, there's Huddle House is bad, but Chick-fil-A's fine. Oh, here, look, here's the sign. Hey, look, stop at the sign since there's no one behind us. This is the Highway 167 Ruston Dubach sign. And me and Poe are walking on it, and it's not supposed to be here.
Alright, well let's get in the car. Let's do some exploring.
This is the Ruston Street sign. Not even street sign, that is the exit sign from the interstate on the other side of the road. Dude, the craziest part about this is there was like only a 30-minute warning of this tornado.
I'm positive my tires are gone.
Hey, that's the owner of the junkyard that you got the thing from, right?
Yeah, he's trying to look for cars, I bet.
God, anything for some business, bro.
Anything.
That's an ambulance and that's not good. And they're turning this way. No, that's the fire department. Do you think they're just going to the power line or do you think there's something interesting somewhere?
They're probably going to all the above.
Should we turn around?
No, I want to go to Gavin's shop.
Oh, I'm sure he's already gone. That was probably one of the first things he thought of. Oh, dude, please tell me they didn't mess up. Oh, man, if Arby's is
Are you
gone.
shining that light or is that them?
That's not me.
Alright, shine the light outside. They can't see anything. Remember, we're feeding the audience here.
Yeah, but I mean, it's just trees. Like, we've already seen a ton of trees on the ground.
Alright, I'm going to Gavin's shop. Oh, it hit here. Oh no, oh no. Oh no.
It's okay, bro. Have you seen the rebar in that shot, bro? That shot's not going nowhere.
No, the problem's not that. The problem's the paneling. Look at that. Oh my gosh.
Holy shit. Holy shit.
Oh my god.
Holy shit.
Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit.
Holy shit. No, dude, where did this come from?
This is at your shop, Gavin.
Gavin, this is at your shop.
All right, the trailer doesn't look bad. It definitely moved. There's the block of wood that held it down. Nothing hit the trailer bad. It definitely moved. It was windy, very windy. You can see how bad the wind was. Look how it even pushed that lock.
My shop?
Yeah. Dude, look at this shit, bro. This is in the, like the driveway.
Don't sell me. We'll go up there.
Okay, well, they're coming up here.
They're never gonna expect this. This is great. Okay, so they're coming up here. They're gonna be like, the shop's destroyed. They're gonna be so scared. They're gonna see that and they're gonna be like, what? Like, what? Like out of everything, what? Dude, literally everything's fine. We're good. Everything is good. I'm curious as hell to where this thing came from. This makes no sense at all.
You know what's crazy?
Why? Out of anything, like that's a blessing right there. Okay, so tell me how that managed to fly there, but all the trash stayed in the trash can. What the hell kind of what sense is that? All right, guys. So basically, what's going on here is there was a tornado. I don't know if anyone was hurt or anything like that. Honestly, pretty much just all this stuff. I'm kind of in shock right now. The tornado, the biggest part of it, hit like a mile from our house.
Really?
So we're extremely lucky that it didn't actually tear down our house because that would have been terrible. But it's nothing. Just pray for the families out here that may have had home damage or maybe even worse. I don't even want to go there, but this is a crazy situation. I'm just trying to get all the footage of it so people can understand how crazy and serious these things really are. This is insane.
No, man.
What?
Dude, I just now switched my bank account to Chase because there's not a Capital One out here. And then Justin just now said,
Chase is dead.
yes. No, why?
There's this truck just driving down the road, spotlighting. Yeah, there's definitely a down power line right there. Oh boy. Yeah, look at those power lines.
You won't lick it.
Ah, nah, I think I'm good. Bro, look at how insane this is. That's a power line. Hey, there's Gavin. Look, I guarantee you they're laughing right now. They're like, oh my gosh, did it hit anything else? There's a whole shed. You know how you told me to build an awning? I did it.
Oh my god. Look at my trailer. It pushed it over.
It pushed it over?
It pushed it over.
All right, so do you want me to just get it over with now?
Oh, what?
This is the only damage. Your trailer was moved about a foot, but that's it. Nothing
serious?
inside the shop. Everything's perfect. There is just a shed in your parking lot.
Shop got a new awning. Check it out. It's our newest edition.
Have y'all been around town?
Yeah.
Did you see the amount of trees, cars?
Did you see the gas stations gone?
Yeah, the whole tech campus, every single one of the dorm windows are broken.
How did this get here? Whose is this? How did it literally land right here?
There's another piece in the yard over there.
I was freaking out because it started picking up real bad, and so we went back to the apartment, and as we were pulling up, it starts raining hard. And I told Jess, I was like, this is not good. And then we're pulling around the backside by the dumpster at our apartments. Lightning flashes. She was like, oh, fuck. And there's this funnel. And I was like, ah!
All right, so apparently people are saying, if you hear the words of Jess, that a tornado's coming still. If my car flies away, I'm giving up on life. I'm just gonna ride crack rock the rest of my life.
I saw a combination of your recent Mustang video and your recent Tacoma video. There was a Tacoma with a flat riding on just the wheel, and it was lopsided.
That's awesome.
Ready? Welcome to fucking Po Boys.
Turnouts for tornadoes.
That was great. All right, guys. I think we're going home, right?
I think we are.
All right, cool.
This is part of a telephone pole. Okay. This is the thing that holds telephone lines up. I wouldn't have suspected it would have been this material. Oh my gosh. Now, let me park the car. Let me park the car. I swear that sound I'm hearing right now is the tornado sirens again. Do we need to check and make sure Austin's okay? Austin's literally right in line of where this place is, so we need to go check on him.
Oh boy, I was like, please tell me that you just died.
There's a whole ass down tree right there. All right, Caleb, hold on. Roll your window up if you have to. We're just gonna have to box. Shine the light. We're bogging.
Oh.
We're bogging through trees. Oh boy. There's a cop right there.
Is that a cop?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm positive. Oh, he's coming out behind us. He just turned his lights on. This is insane. All right, guys, it's currently the next day. People lost their lives yet again. Like, I want to say, keep prayers out for all the families and people that were hurt or have lost lives in this, and as well as all the business owners that have business damage and stuff like that. This is just a bad situation altogether. I really want to reiterate the fact that, like, this stuff is just crazy. No one can control it. It's just stuff that happens. But on that note, the shed that was right here last night, the big old tin, like, cover shed deal, what they had, came from all the way over there, like by that white building over there, went over the power lines, took those power lines down, and landed right here. Didn't even hit the trailer or the building. That's just some of the crazy stuff that happened. Let's go look at some more. Stuff knocked over left and right. Power lines down, shops down. They already have that one boarded up. Power lines down everywhere. Yep, definitely road closed. They got tons of stuff over there. And there's just trees in the road. Dude, those are street signs in that guy's front yard. More power lines just down. Oh my gosh. This is completely insane. I'm not the same person I normally am right now because I don't know what to even think of all this. This is just crazy. Using generators to power stuff. That's a whole gas station up there that's gone. That's the one we were looking at last night. Stuff is just gone. There's stuff all over the highway, the roads. Oh man, this is bad. Cars backed up everywhere. There's glass broken everywhere from a street sign. I don't know if it was a street sign or just another regular sign. This stuff looks pretty normal, nothing too out of the ordinary, but it gets pretty bad coming up here in a little bit. Oh, there's the college campus. This place is freaking destroyed. Bleachers just sitting right on the fence. State troopers, fire marshals. This looks like the headquarters spot for as of right now. That's crazy. Those are all police officers and state troopers. Thank you to all of them that are risking their lives to help make sure everyone else is safe. The scoreboard, there's the softball field. Trees in the stands. Trees just gone everywhere. Softball fields destroyed. Fire trucks. I know my buddy lives in here. Cars just destroyed. There's glass right all through here. There's stuff gone everywhere. This was a little field that they used to play like little softball and stuff like that. These cars are destroyed. I don't know whose car that is, but it flipped over a few times. This thing got picked up and thrown. Oh my gosh. This is not good. Look at all those trucks and cars over there. Look at that. That's Tacoma. I feel your pain, buddy. Mine flipped. And that parking lot has so much damage in it, man. Everyone's glass is shattered. Most of this is aftermath. Oh no, that's Jack's Jeep. Dude, all these cars broken. This is really hard to believe that this is this bad. I'm so sorry to everyone that stuff got damaged or people that got hurt. This is stuff that you cannot control. Most of these cars were not parked like they are right now. Something fell on this car and scraped across it. There's gonna be so many totaled cars, guys. So this Jeep is Jack's Jeep, and this is Jack. What the heck happened last night, dude? What did you see? Because we were in a different spot than you were. So what happened?
About 2 o'clock in the morning, we got woke up all of a sudden because we heard like a big boom, and our window in our dorm flew open. The alarm went off in the dorm, so they told us all to go out into the hallway. Went out there and waited for about 5 minutes, and it kind of seemed like it stopped. So we came out here to look what happened, and there was just cars, and there's maybe a handful of cars that didn't have broken windows at least, and there was
How did that bend?
18 cars out there piled up in that field back there. My roommate's truck was pushed all the way to that ditch over there by the railroad tracks.
Let's go look at it. Like I said before, this is strictly for awareness. I mean, the stuff right here is insane. My dad was saying he's in Florida and he saw it on the news. So it made national news already.
Every one of these cars has a window out.
Yeah, the Tacoma's freaking windshield wiper blade's gone.
Here's my roommate's truck right here.
Oh, that's the one that got pushed? Okay, he was parked where that car is.
See over there where that green truck is? It's pretty much pushing the ditch right there, and that's about a
Are you
25
serious?
foot length, and
Golly, look at all the damage on it.
we fired it up this morning and ran like a top. Once we got it out, we drove it back over here.
I can't fathom all this stuff. Have you seen the cars flipped over down there? This is a
I
mess,
saw
dude.
the white truck sliding this morning.
Wait, like it fell down there?
It was sliding across the pavement like it was nothing. Not very fast, but once it got on that hill, it dropped.
So that's the truck in the ditch right there. Let me block out the shadows. Golly, that's insane. So this truck was all the way in that ditch over there. That just explains how crazy this situation is. It's just a bad situation altogether. They're about to land right here. Yep, they're landing right here. Or over there on the other side, maybe.
I'll show you how the tent saved me.
The tent saved you?
The tent saved me.
Oh my gosh. Oh boy. Okay, so this is why you get tent, folks. That whole window is completely shattered and the tent is the only thing holding this in. It's like, it moves. This is how you know this isn't fake, YouTube. This ain't clickbait. This is real. Well, when all else fails, I got 2 color matched bumpers for you.
Yeah.
I'll just give them to you.
Huh?
I'll just give them to you.
You ain't gotta do that, I'll pay for them.
No, I'll give them to you, dog. You got bigger problems.
Looks like it doesn't.
Alright, so at least you're getting color matched bumpers out of the deal. There's a bed. Whose bed is this?
Several beds. There's a bed impaled by a tree over there.
Really?
Yeah.
Where did that come from?
There was a stack of them over there. Look, you can still see the stack of them over there.
Oh yeah. This
Yeah.
bed's just chilling. Wow, what totaled your car? It was a bed.
Or a bike rack that
Yeah.
flew 50 feet.
Oh wait, that bike rack was over there? Okay, so I was recording the stuff on the bike rack, but I didn't know that the bike rack itself flew. I guess that's not where you would put one. Man, that Tacoma looks like mine.
Walked out of his room into the hallway. As soon as he stepped in the hallway, the tree fell on his bed.
Really? That's a whole tree? Oh
It's
my
like that all the way
gosh.
around.
Went straight through that guy's room. That's insane. This isn't the one the tree fell into, but it fell. Is this the room?
one.
Oh, there's a branch. Oh, there's a whole ass tree. Yeah, I'm just being super gentle with it. He was in bed. You said he walked out right before?
Yeah, right before.
Like, they said a few seconds before this tree fell in on his room, he walked out into the hallway. Oh my gosh. I didn't even notice that. That's part of that tree. There's a whole ass tree down.
All day and here's front.
Power line's just chilling. Bro, you could totally see where the wind was. This is insane.